Today I'm going to show you how to make this super cute spider costume. It's fast, under an hour type fast. You don't need to know how to sew. Here are the supplies that you need. I did forget to include scissors and needle and thread, but you'll see me incorporate them later in the video. All of these supplies I did find at my local Walmart. I already had the glue gun and glue sticks on hand. My son already had those black sweatpants, so I didn't have to buy those. I got these cloth stem wires because they are highly flexible and I thought they would be perfect for the spider arms. Before I started, I measured the length of one of my son's arms and I bent the wire so that it can match. I glue the chunky yarn onto the stems I sew. This part is pretty self-explanatory, so just watch me. What are you doing this Halloween season? Are you buying a costume? Do you have plans on making a costume? Or are you not doing a costume at all? I want to know, so please let me know in the comments down below. I thought that one wrap was too thin, so I double wrapped it, but that was just my preference. Of course, you can do as you like. Once you've done this 4 times, you're done. Now that they are done, I glued them to the black shirt. I did one side of the shirt at a time, so while that side dried, I went ahead and worked on my hat and gloves. The only thing I really needed to do to the glove was cut the tag out because I knew it would annoy my son. And then the hat, I just needed to add the eyes. Really quick, really easy. At this point, I had to pull out my needle and thread because when my son tried on the shirt, the legs were just hanging lifeless and it wasn't the look I was going for. So I gave this idea a try. What I'm doing here is anchoring the thread in the inside seam of the shirt. And then I wrapped the thread around each spider leg on that side of the shirt. And you do see me pulling at it, and that's just to make sure there's no tension between each spider leg. Once I was satisfied, I just tied a knot at the bottom. And just like that, you have a whole costume. Easy, simple, no sewing required, and I'm sure you can do it in less than an hour. I really appreciate you making it this far in my video. Please subscribe and hit the like button. There's more to come. Bye-bye.